The DJI Mini 5 Pro showed up earlier than expected, with a bigger battery in its lightweight sub-250-gram design. Yes, you heard it right. After being spotted in test flights earlier this month, the next-gen DJI Mini 5 Pro has now appeared in a US regulatory filing, revealing it might pack a significantly larger battery than the current Mini 4 Pro. That could mean longer flight times and more power in the same ultralight package. In today's video, we're covering this latest leak, breaking down everything we know so far. So let's get into it. According to recent leaks, this upcoming drone could be packing some pretty exciting upgrades. First up, the camera sensor. There's speculation that it might feature a 1-inch sensor this time, which would be a noticeable bump in image quality, especially for low-light shots. Another thing that's been getting some buzz is its design and hardware. Reports suggest that the Mini 5 Pro might come with stronger, vented motors, likely to improve cooling and flight stability. And one of the most exciting additions appears to be LiDAR sensors. The leaked image literally show what look like front-facing LiDAR sensor above the camera, which could mean better obstacle detection and more precise positioning. Interestingly, the body is said to look heavier, possibly due to all the new tech packed inside. Now, if we peek into the FCC filings, they hint that the Mini 5 Pro might support OcuSync O4+, the latest in DJI's video transmission tech. That means clearer, more reliable video feeds, even over longer distances. On another note, Mini 5 Pro battery details just popped up, and they're looking pretty exciting. Battery-wise, it looks like DJI is making a big leap. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come with a 4,680 mAh battery, rated at 33.5 watt-hours, which is a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's setup. And charging speeds could go up to 65 watts, which is quite fast for a drone this size. Of course, all of this is based on leaks and filings, so we'll have to wait for the official word, but things are definitely looking interesting for DJI fans. Now, let's address the pricing. With all these premium features, you're probably wondering what this is going to cost you. The most credible speculation puts the starting price around $899. Now, before you have sticker shock, let's put this in context. The current Mini 4 Pro starts at $759, so we're looking at about a $140 price increase. When you consider the massive upgrades we're potentially getting, a 1-inch sensor, LiDAR, nearly double the battery capacity, and advanced transmission technology, and that actually seems pretty reasonable. There's been a lot of buzz lately about the DJI Mini 5 Pro possibly making its debut in September, or maybe even alongside a potential Osmo Action 5 Pro refresh. And that timeline made sense based on DJI's previous release patterns. But here's the twist. A new FCC filing has just surfaced, hinting that the Mini 5 Pro might be arriving much sooner than expected. FCC registrations usually pop up just weeks before an official launch, so this could mean DJI is gearing up for an earlier reveal. So, that's all for what we know about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.